Welcome back to the next video in the custom bike build series. Previous video talked about the Shimano R7100 Di2 electronic grip set. Today I did say I was going to do full carbon. Leads me on to this. These are the R7000 Carbon pedals, SPD pedals from Shimano. I did look at all the various types of pedals for road bikes, but it was a little bit too much information overload at that point. I thought I just need something simple, something I can clip my shoes into, and I wanted carbon, as much carbon as possible on this bike, because carbon's light, right? So this is the guy here. Yeah, not much else I can say about it really. There will be folk that are cyclists that have seen this video and be like, why are you doing this? You know, choosing these particular pedals. There are other options out there. I'm not picking specific products because of the brand. It's because Shimano have been in the cycling world for a long time, and they're quite trusted, and for the most part anyway. So that's why. Don't come for me. Yeah, what else is there? I'll give you a little bonus. And pumping up or inflating tires can be a laborious job, right? You're working your forearms, your biceps, just to get that, you know, that extra 5 psi. Now, what I'm going to show you today is a couple of items that help with the inflation of your tires. And the first one is this guy, Cycle Plus electronic tire inflator. It's very small and compact. You put in your backpack, your shorts, your whatever bag or whatever you've got with you while you're out cycling. You literally just pop that onto your valve, the little button here, and then it'll inflate until you tell it not to. Then it goes up to, oh god, it doesn't actually say. I think it's 120 psi. Yeah. So there's no digital display on it, which leads me on to the next product. And it's this. It's a smart air pump, and this is what it looks like. Full digital display. As you can see here, you can select your PSI, your bar. You can use this for tires, you can use it for any footballs, basketballs, whatever you need to inflate, this guy will do it. Both these products are USB-C capable, and they don't take that long to charge, really. This one actually puts a maximum pressure output of 150 psi, comes with a 1200 milliamp hour battery. So yeah, that's what I use for these tires down here. So yeah, if you enjoy the video, hit the like button if you're new here and you want to stick around, get all the notifications, hit the bell, don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one, and hopefully we'll take you around the actual bike itself, the actual frame. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.